Effective Management Strategy for Fast-Growing Startup TechGo Case Study. This document provides a detailed analysis and strategic plan to help TechGo, a fast-growing AI-powered logistics startup, overcome key management challenges. Over the past year, TechGo has grown significantly, expanding its team from just 10 employees to a workforce of 100 across 3 countries. While this growth is a major milestone, it has also introduced challenges that many startups face as they scale: communication breakdowns, uneven workload distribution, and unclear delegation of tasks. As the company continues to expand, these issues have begun to affect team efficiency, employee satisfaction, and overall business performance. Miscommunication between teams in different time zones can lead to delay and misalignment. Uneven workloads have left some employees overworked while others feel uncertain about their roles. Additionally, a lack of clear delegation has created confusion about responsibilities, slowing down decision making and productivity. To address this challenge, this case study outlines practical strategies to help TechGo manage its growth effectively. The first one is streamlining communication. Establish clear, structured communication process to ensure all teams remain connected and aligned. Regardless of location, this includes regular team meeting, better use of collaboration tools, and clearly defined channel for update and reporting. The second one is balancing workload. Implementing systems to distribute tasks more evenly and set clear priorities to avoid burnout and confusion. Tools like project management software and regular workload review with teams leader will help ensure fair and efficient task management. The third one is improving delegation. Encouraging managers to delegate tasks more effectively by assigning work based on team members' strengths, providing clear ownership of responsibilities, and fostering trust and accountability within teams. These strategies are designed to not only resolve TechGo current challenges, but also create a healthier, more productive work environment as the company continues to grow. By improving communication, balancing workloads, and empowering employees through effective delegation, TechGo can maintain its momentum, enhance employee satisfaction, and ensure long-term success in an increasingly fast-paced and competitive startup landscape. Understanding TechGo rapid growth challenges. TechGo journey over the past 2 years have been nothing short of remarkable. Growing from a small, close-knit team of 10 people to an operation of 100 employees spread across multiple countries is a clear sign of success and ambition. However, with this rapid expansion comes a unique set of challenges that many fast-growing startups face. The pace of growth has stretched the company's ability to adjust its management practice effectively, creating hurdles that need immediate attention to ensure continued success. These challenges fall into 3 main areas. The first one is communication breakdowns. As TechGo expands its presence across multiple countries, teams are now spread out geographically and across different time zones. While this global expansion has enabled access to diverse talent and market, it has made effective communication more difficult. Misalignment on goals, priorities, and deadlines have become common, slowing down workflow and causing delay in product development and releases. Additionally, the absence of clear and unified communication processes has led to confusion and siloed effort, where teams work independently rather than in a collaborative and synchronized manner. Without a strong communication system in place, it becomes challenging to maintain alignment, transparency, and efficiency across departments. Miscommunication not only affects the speed of project execution, but also impact team morale, as employees may feel disconnected from the larger vision and direction of the company. The second one is employee burnout. The demand of rapid growth have places significant pressure on TeachGo workforce. With tight deadline and ambitious goals, workloads have increased dramatically, often leading to excessive overtime and long working hours. While employees may initially push through this demand to support the company growth, the long-term effects are concerning. Over time, sustained high workloads result in exhaustion, lower productivity, and reduced job satisfaction. Employee burnout not only impacts individual well-being, but also poses a serious risk to the company's overall success. When morale drops, employees are more likely to disengage or seek opportunities elsewhere, increasing turnover rates. Losing valuable team members in a growing startup can be especially challenging, as it disrupts operations and requires additional time and resources to recruit and train new talent. And the last one is an effective leadership. TeachGo rapid scaling has put immense pressure on its managers, who are often taking on too much responsibility themselves. As teams grow larger, the need for delegation and empowerment becomes critical. Yet many managers are struggling to effectively distribute tasks and provide clear guidance. This results in bottlenecks where decision-making is delayed and managers become overwhelmed with work that could be shared among team members. Additionally, when managers fail to delegate, it limits the growth and autonomy of their teams. Employees may feel micromanaged or unclear about their role, leading to a lack of ownership and accountability. Without strong leadership practice, managers cannot scale their impact, and the team overall performance suffers. The need for action. While these challenges are not unique to TeachGo, they are particularly critical during this phase of rapid growth. If left unaddressed, they can slow down the company momentum, hinder innovation, and negatively affect employee satisfaction. Fortunately, this challenge can be managed with the right strategies and system in place. The following section of this document will explore targeted solutions to tackle these issues head-on. By improving communication process, addressing workload imbalance, and empowering leadership, TeachGo can establish a solid foundation for sustainable growth. This solution will not only help the company overcome its current challenges, but will also position it for long-term success in an increasingly dynamic and competitive global environment. Streamlining cross-border communication, bridging the gap in a global startup. Effective communication is vital for any organization, especially for a fast-growing startup like TeachGo, which now operates across 3 countries. To tackle miscommunication that causes project delay, here are 2 key strategies. The first one is implement a unified communication platform. Use tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams that combine chat, video call, and file sharing. This creates a centralized hub for all communication, reducing information silos. Everyone, regardless of their location, will have access to the same updates and resources. The second one is establish clear communication protocols. Develop guidelines for different types of communication, like instant messaging for quick questions, email for formal updates, video call for complex discussions, and the last one is create template for project brief, update, and meeting agenda to keep communication consistent across teams and countries. Additional suggestion, like scheduled regular all-hand video meeting to bring the entire team together and align on goals. Use visual aids like chart and infographic to clarify complex ideas and overcome language barrier. These strategies will help TeachGo improve communication, align team, and keep project on track as the company continues to grow globally.
Ethical collaboration with technology, text management and visual board and listen, enable user to organize text on visual board using columns like to do, in progress, and complete. This mimics the Kanban style. Text card. Each text should have a card with details such as the description, priority, assignments, and deadlines. Drag and drop allows answer to easily drag and top text between columns for seamless program talking. Deadline tracking and reminder. Calendar view. Provide a calendar view for team to see task deadline and meetings. This allows for better schedule and forensic. Due dates and notification. Assign due dates to text and set up a time reminder to answer when a deadline is approaching. Progress report and dashboard. Progress tracking. Show progress bars or pens cumulate for individual tasks, project, and overall progress. Report and analysis. Create a timeline report showing project timelines, upcoming tasks, and work notes. Include option for detailed consumer reporting. Team overview. Provide manager with an overview of the team's work, status of different tasks, and upcoming deadline to help with resource allocation. Collaboration factor. Task comment and the question allows team members to comment on text and collaborate on specific themes and create within the platform. File attachment enable answer to upload text document or link to text for easy reference and collaboration. Team chat or direct message intake a message system to keep communication contact without needing to switch to other platform. Role-based permission and access control. Team roles. Create different answer roles: admin, manager, team member to control access to certain project information or setting. Access control. Implement fine-grained control over which user can edit, view, and delete text, report, or burns. Integritas and containment. Third-party integrate allows integrate with common tools like Slack, Google Calendar, GitHub, and Google Drive to facilitate Emulate's workflow. Custom fields allows answer to different custom fields for text to tailor to tool to their specific project needs. Called basic document collaboration. Real-time collaboration. Google Document set or sliding or Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint. These tools allow multiple answers to work on the same document simultaneously. Change are saved in real time, and answer can be edited as to happen answering seamless collaboration. Live Concert with Google Workspace and Microsoft 365 show which team member is editing a specific section or the document, making it easy to track contributes in real time. Version history and control track charts both platform maintenance data version histories and answer can see when which edit and when. Then factual help prevent an accidental chart and allows easy rollback to previous version is needed. Comment and citation. Google Workspace and Microsoft 365 allow an answer to comment on specific part of a document, provide a section, creating a more collaboration and organized review process. Code-based storage and accessibility. Google Drive, or OneDrive. Store all your team documents in the cloud to easy and sharing, but service ensure that files are accessible for any device where you're using computer, tablet, or handphone. File sharing. Share document with team, client, or stakeholder easy. Set different permission level and view, comment, or edit to control access. Integrate communication. Google Meet or Chat, Microsoft Teams utilize integrate chat and video call feature and communicate while collaboration on document. This allows for immediate feedback, brainstorming, or problem-solving session during in document editing progress. Text and project management integration. Google Workspace with Google Keep or Text for project tracking. Integrate Google Workspace with Google Keep or Text to async to those reminder or track progress on document. Microsoft Planning or To-Do. Similarly, integrate Microsoft 365 with Planner or To-Do to make text relate to document and project efficiency. Security and permission. Regular possession, set up, delete permission in Google Drive or OneDrive to control who can view, comment on, or edit document. Restrict access to sensitive information while answering to necessary stakeholders have full access. Two-factor authentication. Enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security to prevent unauthorized access to documents. Managing workloads and boosting employee morals. Addressing the issue of workload employees is crucial for maintaining long-term productivity and reducing turnover. Here are standard to better manage workload and insurance employee satisfaction. 1. Implement flexible work arrangements over flexible working hours or remainder work option where possible. This allows employees to balance their work and personal life with more efficiency, reducing stress and improving overall job satisfaction. 2. Establish clear work-life boundaries. Set guidelines for after-hours communication and encourage employees to disconduring on the work hours. Consider implementing email after 7 p.m. policy to prevent burnout and respect processing time. 3. Regular workload assignment. Conduct monthly team capacity planning session as project management tools to efficiency works and redistribute tasks when necessary. This ensures a more balanced distribution of work across the team. 4. Promote mental health and wellness. After wellness program such as subsidized gym and membership, medication apps, or counseling service, organize regular team building activities and across the hours of vacation days to prevent burnout. By implementing this strengths TaxGo can create a more sustainable work environment that supports employee well-being while maintaining high production level. This approach not only reduces burnout but also fosters a positive company culture that takes and retains top talent.
Empowering employees and boosting engagement. To further achieve employee satisfaction, TaxGo should consider implementing the following. The first one, professional development programs. Invest in employee growth by offering regular training sessions, workshops, and opportunity to develop skill. This not only increases job satisfaction, but also improve the overall capability of workforce. Consider implementing a mentorship program where senior employees can mentor and support junior employees. The second one, reward and recognition system. Create a program that recognizes employee and effort accomplishment both individually and as a team. For example, give a monthly award, recognize co-workers' contribution, or provide bonus based on performance. Create successful, no matter how small, help and create a positive work environment and energy employees. And the third, regular feedback machines. Implement ongoing feedback system rather than relying solely on annual appraisals. Use tools like 15-5 or Culture aimed to facilitate regular conversation between manager and employees. This way, issues can be resolved quickly and employee accomplishment can be recognized immediately. And for the last, Employee Resource Group or ERGS. Encourage the formation of ERGS based on shared experience or characteristic. This group can provide support, build a sense of belonging, and create more inclusive work culture. For example, group women in tech, LGBT employees, or working parents and share support each other on their journey. Improving delegation skill for better leadership. To address the issue of ineffective delegation among TESCO manager, we proposed a plan to develop delegation skill in a more understandable way. The first one is leadership training. Host a series of training that focus on delegation skill. The training will cover things like how to choose the right task delegate, match tasks to team capabilities, set clear expectation, and provide meaningful feedback. The second one is create a delegation. The second one is create a delegation guide. Create a standard delegation guide that manager can follow. The guide will cover steps like assessing task difficult, evaluating team's member capabilities, setting clear goals, and establishing schedule for regular check-ins. The third is mentoring program. Pair newer managers with senior leaders who are experienced in delegations. This will give them their support for the real-world example how to delegate effectively. And the last one is regular delegation review. Conduct quarterly review of how managers delegate. This may include self-assessment, feedback from the team, and analysis of projects' results to find areas improvement. To empower employees and encourage them to take more responsibility, managers need to. The first one, managers need to clearly explain why each task is important and why its impact will be. The second one is provide the resource and authority needed for employees to complete tasks independently. And the third, encourage them to solve problems and make creative decisions within constraints. And the last one is reward initiative and achievement in completing tasks. By improving delegation skill, TESCO manager can reduce their own workload while creating culture of great trust, accountability, and professional growth within their teams. And this is a conclusion roadmap for sustainable growth. To meet the challenges of rapid expansion, TESCO needs to implement this strategy to maintain organizational growth and health. Here is a summary of key recommendations. Improve communication. Use an integrated communication platform and create clear rules to facilitate communication across international teams. The first, technology. Use project management, document collaboration, and transaction tools to streamline workflows and clarify communication. Manage workload. Include flexibility in work arrangement, set clear boundaries, and conduct regular review to prevent burnout. Improve engagement. Create a professional development programs, recognition system, and feedback channels to improve employee satisfaction. And the last one is improve delegation. Develop delegation skill through training, mentoring, and create a culture of empowerment. By focus in this area, TESCO can create a stronger, more efficient, and more engaging workplace. This will not only help address existing issues, but also lay the foundation for continued growth in the future. Remember, for this strategy to work, it requires the commitment from leaders, constant communication, and regular check-ins on progress. With this step in place, TechGo will be well positioned to capitalize on its rapid growth while maintaining a motivated and productive team.